What's going on, guys? I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna talk to you guys about an indicator that can help you guys find the support and resistance levels. But before that, I'm gonna some of you guys comment and say that you cannot join the membership, and I want to talk to you guys. If you're new here, you can simply actually go to my channel. You can either click on the join. It's only $9.99. I cover a lot of things that I have learned over the 8 years. Before that, I was in the stock market for over 2 years. So if you combine those, it's almost 10 years of experience with reading charts and being being into investment. Okay, I have found a lot of great coins that have a lot of potential to even up to 1000x that I've been talking about. I've been covering 26 minutes of talking here. We have already 7 members. Actually, one of them joined yesterday, so we have 7 members only paying $9.99, guys. I talk about a lot of things. I cover about charts. I cover about anything, any type of tutorial. You guys can request anything, any type of questions you guys have under these videos, and I can cover it for you. All right. Or if you can't find it, this join button, you can go to my links, and I added this recently here. Okay, and so, but guys, prepare for a crash for Bitcoin. Okay, today I was in my car and I teased a little bit of Mr. Bullies or Miss Bullies. Okay, so joke aside, guys, I told you guys, and I'm gonna keep saying this because a lot of you guys did not actually have a chance to find my channel or watch my videos. Otherwise you would have agreed with me. And I see a lot of you guys comments. You guys comes and subscribe once you find me on YouTube. I have only 170 subscribers, and I really appreciate every single one of you guys. I spend a lot of time replying to all of your comments. Okay, that means I really care. I am getting to a point that I really don't have that much time to reply to all of you guys. That's why I really want you guys to join the membership. I have a lot to teach you guys. I have made a lot of mistakes before, so I really want you guys to learn from my mistakes, and you don't spend thousands of dollars and lose thousands of dollars to learn it on your own. Okay, and you just waste your time and opportunities. I could have been a Shiba Inu millionaire. When I bought it, it was the price was 0.70 and a 6. Okay, so I was too greedy. I sold it too early, and I gambled, and I lost a lot of money in one day. That's why I really beg you guys to be careful. Bitcoin is gonna do the same thing. This time they found ETF to hype you guys. Okay, I'm not saying there was no chance of making money. Yes, you could have bought Bitcoin here and you could have sold it here. Okay, over almost two times, more than 2 times, 3 times of your money, more than 3 times. Yes, you could have made a lot of money with Solana. You could have made a lot of money with Ethereum. A lot of coins went 10x, 12x, 20x. Yes, which we actually did the same thing in the previous bear market that we had, previous bear market rally, and then everything started crashing. To me, we've got to this point that we are gonna go probably a little bit of sideways just to fool as many people as possible. Then we're gonna start going back down. Okay, we see that every time this is going to happen with some type of excuse. ETF was not going to be any different than all these great news in here that I was hearing every day from different YouTubers, from different articles, from TV, from everywhere. Okay, so news can affect prices temporarily, but Bitcoin is going to do what it's going to do. Okay, bigger investors are going to start taking profit here. A lot of you guys did not listen to me. We went back down more than $6,000 in 2 days, guys. 2 candles. You can look at this sharp, and a lot of you guys think that, oh, it's just a pullback, we're going to start going back up. Yes, it might just go a little bit of sideways or a little bit up, and make it like rising channel, and then it starts going back down. If we go to the weekly, guys, Okay, as I've been telling you guys see how fast we went down without making any green candle down to here. Okay, I'm repeating this because a lot of you guys are new to this channel. And please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And it really helps my channel to show to more people, because a lot of you guys don't even know my channel exists. Okay, so you guys see how fast we went down, and this green candle only made the two waves until we broke above. Okay, so there is a reason that we had this in here. So, but after we broke above, we did not even do any pullback, and we started going back up. And we did not even make any red candle this time. Same as here, opposite of it. That means that this was a very great time to just make money. Okay, but as I said, because I was bearish all the time and I knew we're gonna still go back down, I was too afraid. And I'm being honest with you guys, I was too afraid to just get bullish. And I want to explain something else too. So you guys see that let me zoom in here. Okay, reading charts is a skill that you guys need to develop and learn about. Okay, so every time you guys see that a price breaks above certain level, goes up, fails, starts going back down, and that has that touch from the top. Okay, this level was resistance until we broke above, and we got support, we went back up. Then again, we could not pass this level because of this area, and then we went back down again, and guess what, we still went back and touched the same level. And by saying this, I want to explain the weekly this price that we started rallying up was a very random price that we started going back up. We still passed this level, these same as this that I was explaining about. Okay, we passed this below and we started rallying from here, guys. Okay, this shows that this does not make sense. This is not the real support, guys. Okay, so we can still start going back down, even 5 moves down, guys, and the real support would be around this area, which guys can see this indicator. You guys can search this. This is free. You can go to tradingview.com and search for this, exactly this. Okay, you guys see this was a resistance. Price broke above, got support from top, and it started going back up. And that's why I am still expecting to see these levels one more time. Okay, even if you want to say like, oh, we got support from the last all-time high. No, we already passed all-time high from 20k, from 19,000 something. The level was supposed to be around here, so we should have already started going back up from here, not actually breaking below. So that means there is manipulation here. There is plan here. Okay, with this ETF news that they already released long time ago, guys. That the reason was they already started buying here, so they wanted you guys, retail investors, to keep buying, to keep pumping the price up to this level. And do you guys think that they do not know that this is not a good support? They can still dump the price, go back down, and get the real support this time. Okay, this is a support I'm looking at, and I made another video a long time ago, but I need to repeat some of it because we see a lot of new viewers coming in. I'm gonna use this chart because, oh, actually, never mind. Let me make another one. Okay, let me show this as an example. And so I made this rectangular boxes, and they make a lot of sense if you guys really want to think about it. If you make a box down to this level, okay, this was a sharp going down. We got support, started going back up, and then we started failing again. If you actually just take this and bring it back down, okay, we actually see the real support comes to almost $12,000. Okay, some of the charts are different in different exchanges. This is the crypto.com, but I am still expecting lower prices to come in, guys. Okay, and I made another example with Ethereum, which Ethereum actually touched its own level, which is right here. Let me turn this to white. Right, so I've made these lines before, actually. Yeah, so this was top of the all-time high of Ethereum in the last bull market. We went down to this level, right? and then we went back up. This is the clone of this, exactly. Let me do it in front of you, okay? This is the clone. You grab it, bring it down, make sure this is touching the top part of it, right? And look where we got support from exactly, right? This made sense for Ethereum, but it's still, I'm expecting that Ethereum could have more supports around here. We could still go see these prices, guys. You see the support and the resistance lines. There's no line in here. There's not even a line showing that, indicating that we have support or resistance line. If I actually make a line in here, this is the real support, which you guys see that we had a lot of touches in here. We got support around here, it went back down, close to that price, we still got support, and started going back up, right? Let me know if it doesn't make sense, okay? If you haven't already, as I said, please like the video and even share it with your friends, and comment down below if this makes sense to you, okay? So we are 100 days away, 100 days, more than 3 months away to halving. We still have a lot of time to crash back down. As I covered in my previous video, if Bitcoin keeps going sideways, which the chart is similar, Bitcoin in its own chart is around here, right? Ethereum money could get out of Bitcoin or get out of other altcoins and pour into Ethereum, because Ethereum has been late on pumping, okay? So there is still a chance of Ethereum pumping, because if Bitcoin keeps going sideways. I consider this run up as a pullback to the two resistance lines that are very important, and they are very hard to break. As you guys saw that how sharp we started going back down from 49k, which was almost the intersection of these two lines, this blue one and this white line, and this white line had many touches. And if you just keep going, it gets to this level. And if you guys see this top of where we started failing, that it was almost end of the last bull market. The game over of Bitcoin was around here. You guys saw a lot of these resistance. It started going back down, right? Now, after going down, because these are weekly candle, of course, because we have to wait for these pullbacks. We need to wait a long time, which took this took 1 year to happen. As I say, if we go to 1 hour charts, guys, we see a lot of these all the time, okay? For example, let me make one example for you guys. This. Okay. This is a good example, actually. Let me delete this. You guys see 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touch, and finally we broke. We went back up. We couldn't even still go up. We went back down. We started going touch again, and we failed again. We came back down. We went up. It still failed. These sharp going downs means how strong this resistance line is. Now, how do you guys not relate these with this? Let me get rid of this, okay? How do you guys not see this much rejection at? See how much lower we went because of only touching with these two lines, okay? From 49 to where it is right now, we went 11% down, guys. More than 11. We started going back up slowly. So I am still expecting a little bit of sideways to just manipulate more people that they think is still thinking that we are bullish. We should be bullish, but they are absolutely wrong. And once we start going back down, guys, these green candles are not gonna save us, guys. Same as all these red candles that we started go back up. We did not even go sideways and get rejected because of these. We went straight up. When we got to this level, we started going sideways a little bit. Okay, so you guys see from the color of the candles, all the same color, you could actually see how much resistance and how much support a chart could have, right? So you guys see this price action. This is giving you a message. It's giving you a warning, guys. If we start going back down, you're gonna regret that. I'm not telling you to get out, but this is just my warning. All right, So as I said, I keep posting great content in here. I talk about gems, guys. I talk about a lot of gems. If you can ask any questions, I cover everything you ask for. I've learned a lot of things every day. I watch videos, I learn, I read about crypto chart analysis and everything daily. So with 7, 8, 9 years of experience, you guys need to, $10 a month is nothing, guys. It's just a burger combo. As I give that as an example, to know that a burger combo is really nothing. You are learning, investing in yourself. So go ahead and join if you want to. Like and subscribe, and I will come back with another. I forgot to cover this. Fed is going to cut rates, and I have covered a little bit of it before, but cutting rates is not so great for stock market and crypto in general. I want you to keep this in mind. In 1 or 2 months, we're going to probably see the first cut, and that will be very bad for Bitcoin. All right, I'll see you in another video. Join the membership, comment down below your opinion, and see ya.